Step 1. We do the marking on the stabilizer. Step 2. Filter marking. Step 3. Marking the bunny, we place the pelon, and on top we put a plastic. Step 4. Cut the pelon, and remove the plastic. Step 5. We cut the filter all around. Step 6. We position the fabric, and make the marking. Step 7. We cut the fabric all around. Step 8. Now, we position the fabric, and mark the sides of the tag. Step 9. We cut the excess all around. Step 10. We make the quilt in the center of the tag, then mark the bunny, then do the zigzag point and the full stitch around the circle. Step 11. Remove the hoop, and place the fabric on the back of the hoop, and add masking tape. Step 12. Turn the hoop on the embroidery machine to secure the back. Step 13. Remove the hoop from the machine, and cut the excess around the marking we made on the underside of the hoop. Step 14. We make the zigzag stitch and the full stitch, all around of our bunny tag. Step 15. Finally, we removed our embroidery from the hoops, cut the excess of stabilizer, and put the lighter in the blue part. And our tag is finished.